Have you ever been deep into coding only to be stopped in your tracks by an error message you can't quite understand? It's frustrating, right? If you're dealing with JsDoc errors in your ReactJS project, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to help you uncover the exact error message and line number that's causing the issue. I totally get it. You follow the JsDoc rules, write your comments carefully, and yet out of nowhere, you get an error saying unable to parse with an unexpected token. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar issues, and it can be quite perplexing. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user mentioned that they are using JsDoc to document their ReactJS pages. They wrote comments according to JsDoc rules, but for some pages, they receive an error message. They want to know how to get the exact error message and line number where it is failing. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what could be causing this error? It often happens due to syntax issues in your JavaScript code or comments that JsDoc cannot parse. Understanding where the error is coming from is crucial, and we'll walk through how to pinpoint the exact problem. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can help you avoid these JsDoc errors in the future. To begin troubleshooting the JsDoc error, the user should first ensure that their JsDoc configuration file is set up correctly. This file is typically named JsDoc.json. Next, the user should run JsDoc with the verbose option. This will provide more detailed output, which can help identify the exact location of the error. After running JsDoc with the verbose option, the user should carefully review the output. Look for any specific line numbers or error messages that indicate where the parsing issue occurs. If the error message still isn't clear, the user can manually check the indicated file at the specified line number. This may involve looking for syntax errors or incorrect JsDoc comments. Finally, if the user is still having trouble, they can consider using a linter or a code editor with JsDoc support. This can help catch issues before running JsDoc. Fun fact: did you know that the first version of JsDoc was released in 2002? It has come a long way since then, helping developers document their code more effectively. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution to get the exact error message and line number in JsDoc is to use the command line option called verbose. This option provides detailed logs while JsDoc runs, but it won't give you the exact line number. However, there is a workaround shared by a user named Iferian that can help you find the line and column of the error. As of JsDoc version 3.5.0-dev, you can now print the line and column numbers of errors. To use this feature, install the current development version with a specific npm command, and then run JsDoc against your JavaScript source files. This will output the error along with the line and column numbers. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly validate your comments and code syntax as you write. This habit can save you from unexpected errors down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to identify the exact error message and line number in your JsDoc documentation. Remember, keeping your code clean and well documented is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and don't miss our next video on advanced JsDoc techniques.